I have a friend. He has a factory and it makes things, all sorts of things. All of these things have to go through a packing machine before they are shipped out. This cannot be done manually, so that means everything that leaves this factory is dependent on that machine. If the machine stops, the factory stops and can only ship what it has already made and is in stock. The machine stops. Something is wrong. In a matter of days, the factory will run out of stock and have nothing to ship. My friend calls the repair service. After 10 hours, at $100 an hour, the problem is not identified. At $500 an hour and 10 hours later, they can't figure out the issue either. It's suggested they bring in a consultant. The consultant arrives and tells my friend they'll fix the issue for a fixed price. They say, "Is it worth $5,000 to get this machine back online?" My friend, not surprisingly, grumbles and agrees. The consultant looks at the machine saying, They look at the machine from every angle for about an hour. Then, as if a light bulb goes off over the consultant's head, they march over to the machine and turn a single screw a quarter to the left. The machine springs to life. 20 hours and $6,000 of hard work did not get the desired outcome. $5,000 in taking the time to understand the issue brought the machine back to life. So what is the moral of the story? Is there a moral of the story? Can stories like this have a real impact on the way that you run your teams, your outcome? I'd love to hear your thought. Please leave a message and comment. I'd love to know what you're thinking. So what is the moral of the story? Is there a moral of the story? Can stories like this have a real impact on the way that you run your teams, your outcome? I'd love to hear your thought. Please leave a message and comment. I'd love to know what you're thinking.